Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for being here. Today I want to do the unboxing for April's stationery selection box. I also want to update this system here. This is the wide Chic Sparrow cover. I don't remember the name of it. I want to say creme brulee, but I know that's not the proper terminology. They've changed the naming of it. So let's get right into it. So here are the items for April's box. I tried to do something different this time, similar to last month. I tried to add some fun illustrations and things, and so I thought I would come on here and explain to you each of these items. So the first on the item list is this novelty notebook. I actually have it wrapped up, and maybe I'll do a giveaway. I wanted to share with you the version that I have as a sample that I've been using for a bit now. It's housed in my work planner here, but it does say sample, so just please disregard this. And of course the cover is a little bit different, but the neat thing about this is that it has line on one side and then dot grid on the other. So you can see an example here. You can write down your notes and jot down your notes, and then if you need to kind of scratch something out or draw something out, plan certain things, this side is a different dot grid. I thought that was really neat. I also really like the fact that the the pages are numbered. I don't believe it has an index here. You can see I just did a bit of kind of testing and things, but I do like the fact that you get both the lined paper as well as dot grid on one side. So there's that first one there. Second on this list is a really bad drawing, but I tried my best. This is the Maste washi tape, and these have the days. It doesn't have the actual day of the week like Monday to Sunday, but it has the numbers. So I thought that would be very useful. I use not this specific type, but something in similar design to this in my personal planning, and it's just so handy, and I love the illustrations that it comes with there. And then on the third one you get like a blank one that you can use for multi-purpose use. And then it says here on the back in English, for use with water-based ink only. So you can see here that it is perforated so that you can cut out the certain days that you need for your journal. But there's that one there. So third on the list is this pen right here. This is the Sakura ball sign in the 04. I thought the body color was very neat with this like dark blue shade. I thought it was very classy, very smooth and nice writer. This is also brand new. I think I haven't used this one yet. You can see that the little wax balls on the tip. I've been using mine here in my pencil case for quite some time. It's a very nice writer, so I think I will give this also. I'll be giving this away. Fourth on the list is this one right here. This is the Nombre monthly calendar. Let me open it up for you to see. So this is what it looks like. It has a monthly calendar, and you can check the back side here. It has like an example of how you could use it. I like the fact that it has 3 different styles in this set, so it's not all the same style. It also comes with a binder, so I guess a binder clip, so it's kind of like a freebie. But yes, it's we are trying our best to use like smaller, less known Japanese brands, and this one here is Nombre Mizushima. So there's that. Next is number 5. This is the brand called Shingu, and it's a keepsake folder, and that's where I wanted to kind of update you. I wanted to use that keepsake folder in this cover, and so it looks like this right here. I'm going to open it up and share with you how I want to use it. I know Peppercorn Arts, she has a video of how she has customized hers, and there's also a lovely subscriber. She emailed me with her creation. She used it as like a traveler's notebook cover, and she added, I don't know what they're called, like rivets, and it was so neat. And so it's so fun to receive these emails from subscribers and you know, people sharing the designs with you. So I will open that up. I will timestamp that down below if you want to just skip and go straight to me setting this up. And then lastly are these cute little stickers from Kamiso. And so lastly are these stickers. Sorry, I just removed it out of the packaging because it's so shiny. But you can see the gold and the silver accents there, which are nice. It's a nice, you can see it's very thin washi stickers, so they don't really add bulk to your journals. Alright, so let's get right into setting up the Traveler's Notebook. Like I said, this is the Chic Sparrow. I will put the correct name of the leather. I believe I did an unboxing of this several months ago. I want to say last year. I'm not exactly too sure why I keep these Starbucks cards in here. I think they're more for like memory, for my memory. Yeah, I like to keep them, but then at the same time, I don't want them to go to waste. I definitely keep the Sakura ones because they're just so pretty. And I know some people have like a Starbucks card, actual traveler's notebook with just cards. But yeah, I think like this one, I believe I purchased when I did when I went away on a trip. And then this one is from a friend back home in Canada. And so like these are like the ones that I keep in here. But yeah, so I wanted to set this up not as a journal per se. I'm pretty much finished with this insert. This is the Soshi A5 Slim Notebook. I don't know if we have any left in stock. We might have just a couple of this size. Unfortunately, this company is no longer making this notebook anymore. We do have the A6 Slim version available. So if this is a notebook that you really enjoyed, I suggest, I will leave the link down below. But anyways, I'm pretty much finished this one. And I might try out the A6 Slim. I wanted to use this cover as a ephemera holder, and I used to use the Chic Sparrow Nightingale cover. I would house my big papers and things that I wanted to use in my Hobonichi cousin or in my journals. I would use the actual cover as like a ephemera holder, and I wanted to do that with this. And so I might remove this one here and share with you. I just wanted to keep this in here because I wanted to share with you how it would fit the traveler's notebook. So like I said, this is in the wide size. Alright, so I took a bunch of inserts out that I can use in conjunction with this one here as an ephemera holder. This one is from Muji. I'm not entirely sure what this section or this portion does because there's no pockets or openings. But there is this zipper pouch area that I can use. There's also this one that I purchased a long time ago. This is from Stickerific, if I remember correctly. The denim zipper pouch. And it has like this closure here and then the zipper here. And then of course, I think I might keep one elastic just for papers and bigger items. And then in here is where I want to organize the ephemera, like the smaller bits. So I thought I would do that on camera with you. Let me open this up first. So like I said, we are trying to use smaller brands or brands that are not as known. So this one is one of the newer ones that we've encountered. This is also made in Japan. And the neat thing is that it has these like little openings already. One here, then one here. And this is like a paper material, so it's not like leather or cloth or plastic. It is stitched at the top and the bottom. And yeah, it's very simple. You can use the stickers to customize it if you like. But I thought I would stick this one in here and we can use it as a as a keeper of papers and papers and bits. Yeah, I sold my Nightingale, and then I just didn't replace it. And I really liked the fact that I had my ephemera bits in one area, in like one notebook. So I want to do the same with this. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this. I think it would be helpful for like smaller stickers and things in this pouch. But then this part I'm not really sure how to use. So I'm going to use that later. This one I can stick in here. And then I think I want to stick in like the bigger paper items in the middle maybe. So let's start setting it up. Just some papers and items. I have like a binder for the colorful, I guess like the colorful type of papers. I have like a binder with page sleeves that I use, but I don't have anything for like this vintage type of journaling that I like. I think maybe these ones I can stick in the middle. These ones I can stick in here. They're nice and short. These papers and things I can stick in the middle. If you want to, you can separate the elastics. I mean, it's up to you how you want to organize it. For example, if you want to keep this elastic for like text type of papers, and then this elastic would hold like solid colored items or papers that you can actually write on. And then let's add some of these little bits as well. And so I think this would be handy in this pocket, but then I could also include it in here as well. The thing I like about this one is that it's clear so that you can see what's inside. So maybe like smaller sticker flakes and things would be nice. This one is so pretty. I don't think I want to put it in my journal. I want to kind of keep it out if possible. Some small little envelopes and things. So yeah, you can organize it however you would like. I'm already changing my mind. Maybe I'll keep one section for pockets, eh? So these are all like the pockets. There's a pocket here. Sorry, I keep hitting the tripod. These are all small little pockets that I can use in my journals. And then this one I could probably do smaller stickers and sticker flakes and things. So I'm going to keep that in here. If you know what the purpose of this is, please let me know. I'm not entirely sure because I don't know if this is like a double plastic. If you like sliced it, if it would actually be a pocket. I'm not entirely sure, but let's wrap this around here. I have a whole bunch of stamped images that I did that I will organize. These ones I can stick. So this video is getting quite long, but you get the gist of it. I think it would be nice to just have one spot where I can, or one notebook that I can just take out with me. I can take out I'm currently using this as my traveler's notebook. Let me just grab it right here. I'm using this as my traveler's journal or traveling journal. I think I did a recent post of my journaling about my neighborhood. So let me see if I can find it here. And so I think it would be nice to have the vintage ephemera in one spot. All I would have to take out is this journal and this, and then some supplies like scissors and maybe a pen and a glue stick, and that's it. So I think I really missed the idea of having like a separate travel journal that holds all of the pieces in one section. So I'm really glad to bring that back. But yeah, if you have something similar, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below with your video or your channel. I would love to see. Alright, so it looks like things are getting quite busy in the house. I will leave it at that. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it gave you some ideas. Thank you so much for being here and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Alright, so if you are still here and you are interested in winning this giveaway set, this Nolte notebook and pen, please leave a comment down below letting me know what you would like to use this notebook for. This giveaway is open worldwide and you must be of legal age in the country where you reside. Of course, you must also be a subscriber as I will be announcing the winner probably around mid-May. I will announce it in the community tab, so if you are not subscribed, you will not be able to see that. But yes, good luck to you. Thank you so much for being here. I really, really appreciate you. I'll see you soon.